checking out of the Orleans and leaving this place just like we found it, like brand new. That's all the goodies we gotta take out of here. Ooh. Everything is just as so, like when we checked in. This is the way I like to leave my rooms, people. Spotless. Be sure to leave them some cash, because they work hard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're waiting for my bellman. I'm sure Joe's looking at this right now, straight out of Vegas, in absolute horror. Well, it is what it is, buddy. Love you all. Thanks for watching. We really enjoyed our stay here at the Orleans and do plan to come back and stay here soon. So, everyone, have a great day. I'll give you the view out here of the lovely Allegiant Stadium. And then I will show you. Hello. This is where I was live streaming the whole time when I was here. Right out that little window, and I had to peer through a little spot and go woo, and zoom in for you. And that's how I did it, folks. Very, very carefully. Alright, kids. Thanks for watching. Come stay at the Orleans and tell them that old Callie sent you. Good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday, and it's getting busy in town. Got some showgirl action. We're headed up to the NOMAD at Park MGM. Cruising by the beautiful shops at Crystal's. You got your CVS on every single corner in Las Vegas. And we got your Park MGM, and that's where I'm going. Arrived. We got your Hello Kitty cafe over there. New York roller coaster. Woo! T-Mobile Arena. And here we are pulling into the gorgeous NOMAD. There she is right there. The NOMAD is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. Just a quick drive through. Here is the valet area of the Park MGM. It's a really, really nice hotel. We stayed here in October. Very clean, smoke-free. Please check out my Park MGM room review. I'll have a link to it in the description below. Thanks. You got your Vegas Golden Knights shop over there. Beautiful New York, New York. Excalibur across the street. We are at Jesse Ray's Barbecue, just behind Raider Stadium, and we're gonna get some lunch with Vegas tips and tricks.